PowerPoint Getting Started Guide. Introduction. PowerPoint is a presentation software that enables you to create dynamic slide presentations. These can feature animations, narrations, images, videos, and more. In this guide, you'll explore the PowerPoint interface, including the ribbon, Quick Access Toolbar, and Backstage view. About this tutorial. The steps outlined in this tutorial apply to all recent versions of PowerPoint, such as PowerPoint 2019, PowerPoint 2016, and Office 365. While there may be minor differences, these versions are largely similar. If you are using an older version, consider referring to a different tutorial that suits your version. PowerPoint Interface Overview. When you open PowerPoint for the first time, the Start screen appears, allowing you to create a new presentation, choose a template, or open recently edited files. Select Blank Presentation to begin and access the PowerPoint interface. Navigating the PowerPoint environment. The ribbon and Quick Access Toolbar. These are where you will find tools for common tasks. The ribbon is a tabbed toolbar, while Backstage view offers options for saving, opening, printing, and sharing presentations. The ribbon. PowerPoint uses a ribbon system, where each tab contains groups of related commands. For example, the font group on the Home tab includes commands for text formatting. Some groups feature a small arrow in the lower right corner to access additional options. Showing and hiding the ribbon. You can adjust the visibility of the ribbon depending on your needs. Auto Hide Ribbon hides the ribbon and shows the presentation in full screen mode. To restore the ribbon, click the Expand Ribbon button at the top of the screen. Show tabs. Only the tabs will remain visible. Click a tab to display the full ribbon. Show tabs and commands. All tabs and their commands are visible. This is the default setting when you first open PowerPoint. Using the Tell Me feature. The Tell Me feature helps you find commands quickly. Just type what you are looking for, and relevant options will appear. You can even execute the command directly from the search results without navigating the ribbon. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar, located above the ribbon, allows quick access to frequently used commands like save, undo, redo, and start from beginning. You can customize it to include other commands based on your preferences. To add commands to the Quick Access Toolbar, click the drop-down arrow on the right side of the Quick Access Toolbar. Select a command from the list or choose More commands for additional options. The selected command will now appear on the Quick Access Toolbar. Organizing slides, ruler, guides, and grid lines. PowerPoint offers tools like the ruler, guides, and grid lines to help you organize content on your slides. These tools assist in aligning objects more easily. To toggle these features on or off, check the boxes in the Show group on the View tab. View and Zoom options. PowerPoint includes several ways to view your presentation, such as Normal View, Slide Sorter, Reading View, and Slide Show View. You can also zoom in or out to adjust the visibility of your slides. Switching slide views, guides, and grid lines. Select the desired view by clicking the View commands in the bottom right corner of the PowerPoint window. Zooming in and out. Adjust the zoom level by dragging the zoom slider in the bottom right corner. You can also use the plus or buttons to fine-tune the zoom. The percentage next to the slider displays the current zoom level. Backstage view. Backstage view provides options for managing your presentation, such as saving, printing, and sharing. To access it, Click the File tab on the ribbon. Practice activity. Open PowerPoint and create a new blank presentation. Change the ribbon display options to show tabs. Add new, quick print, and spelling to the quick access toolbar using the drop-down arrow. In the Tell Me bar, search for shape and press enter. Select a shape and double-click on the slide to add it. Display the ruler if it's hidden. Zoom your presentation to 120%. When finished, your presentation should resemble the example below. Reset the ribbon display options to show tabs and commands.